good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, depending on when you're seeing this message. Sorry, depending on when you're seeing this. So, I'll be analyzing Gbpjpy. So, first of all, cancel all this first. Let's start from scratch. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel all of them. Let's start from scratch. Cancel this also. So let's go down to the 1 day. Okay, so this is a 1 day chart. So a 1 day chart is telling us what? It's telling us that Gbpjpy is bullish. So how is it bullish? Giving us higher highs and higher lows. Giving us higher lows, giving us a high low, give us a high also. Came down again, a high and a high. So this is it. So it's bullish. So we all know that this is bullish. So what do? We now zoom in to the current price. Where is this market currently at? Now, where do we mark from the 1 day chart? First of all, we just mark what? We mark the most important places. Now, number one, this is number one. Let me delete it again and mark it again so that we can see it. This is number one. This area, this is number one support. That if market comes, then it will react from that place. So this is number one. Then this is what? The second one here. Yes, market might come and react from that area. So where do we check? Where do we check the current trend? Since we said the current trend from 1 day is bullish, so we're going down to what? A 4-hour time frame to check the current trend of the market. Now the current trend of the market, what do we say the current trend of the market is? The current trend of the market is bearish. We are looking at it, we know that it's a bearish moving market. Let's do it, giving us some lows, higher lows and lower lows. In that this market is bearish. Now this is where the current market is. Now where do we mark in this place? We mark our current support and resistance in the 4 hours, our visible resistance and support in the 4 hours. Now let's mark our visible resistance and our support in the 4 hours. Now this is number one. We can still even mark it all through this place because if you choose to mark it all through this place, it's okay, but I will do it is better. I'll do it from here. Yes, it's better I do it from here. Okay, it's better I do it from here. Okay, so number one. So let's go to this also. We mark this also. this also, yes, this also should be our second resistant, and this also should be our third resistant. This also should be our third resistant. Now if you can watch this market, you will see that this support here, like, okay, let me use this, like, from this place broke, give us another new support. Have you seen it? Give us another new support. Now went up again, it's coming down. Now this support, sorry, now this support here, this one here hasn't been broken. Well, this one has been broken, but this one here hasn't been broken, so we are going to mark this area also as a current support which hasn't been broken. Remember, we are on a 4-hour time frame. We're going to mark here, yes. So the next one is okay, next one is, what are we seeing around this area? What are we seeing around this area? We can properly, like, analyze what is going on around this area, because this is ranging around it, so we can possibly know what is going on around here. So we are going to go into this for 1 hour time frame, and let's see a bigger picture of what is going on around there. Okay, now this is a 1 hour time frame, and we can see that in this area is giving us some equal highs and equal lows. So we're going to mark this area also, because this area is also relevant to this market. Let's mark this area. Okay, it's also relevant to this market. Yes, I think it's okay in this place. So this area also, and this one also, this one's also, and this one's also, they are also relevant in this market. Now, why are they relevant in this market? You can see that is giving us what from here. It bounced to this area, rejected, came down also, went up again, came down, went up again, came down, went up again, came down. Now I will come to this breaking of this structure, breaking of this ranging market, then came back, forward another low, now went back again to this place, and this is where the market is currently at. Now what do you see in this market? You see that this market was ranging, and all of a sudden it broke to this area. Now it broke to this area, broke this ranging market. Then what is he supposed to do? He's supposed to then, okay, I have broken, let me find my way to the upside, but it didn't. He didn't do that, because this breaking to the upside, this breaking to the upside is a little bit of a little bit of how the major banks do what, take away people's stop loss before, yes, take away people's stop loss, because they are seeing, they are the big banks of the market, so they are seeing each and every one of us, our entry and our stop losses. They are seeing everything, so they just need what, they just need some money, they just need money to push the market to the upside, so that they can take away all the stop losses. And taking away all those stop losses, it is at their own what, at their own profit. So that is it. So it broke this resistance level, it broke it, and after breaking it, it came back down. Now reject, it came back down, now retested and did what, and fall, and form what, another new low here. Now you should know, now forming another new low, you know that yes, this is what, this market is bearish. Like, it's just doing this, they are just doing this, the buyers are just doing this, like all these are just the buyers, the buyers, they're just doing this to what, to get some profit. That is all. But normally the people controlling this market are the sellers. So the buyers, they just come together, let us make some little bit of profit by taking away people's stop loss, then make some profit before going down to the downside. So now what do you do again? It broke it again, giving us what, giving us a giving us an equal high here. Listen, giving us an equal high here. Then he gave us an equal high because it came back to this area and was rejected around this area, and now he's now down to that zone also. Now I'll be looking out for a sell opportunity from this market. Then first of all, I will map out the nearest what, the nearest I'll map out the nearest what, the nearest, how should I put it, the nearest psychological level around that area, nearest psychological level around that area. So the nearest psychological level around that is 189,500. That is the nearest psychological level area. Now we'll be going straight down to 15 minutes, because this is where we do enter, this is where we take our decisions to trade, either to the upside or to the downside. Now in the 15 minutes, you will see that around here it gave us something like an M pattern. It gave us something like an M pattern around there. Look at it around here. It gave us something like an M pattern. Now this M pattern, look at it, give us something like this, came down and did what, retested this area and now fell. Then I'm looking out for something like this market to come back to this area, retest this area also, then I'll now sell this market now to this area. Yes, so this is my analysis on Gbpjpy.